Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. As you see, my friend, that red candle here, that one also we are in the weekly. It's breaking for us down that 200 moving average. As we said, from here it's going to go upward, but now as you see it, my friend, it's break it down. So maybe we are going to the 19k 462. As also we put it in the previous videos, we put here is going to be the target or the bounce from that level here where it used to be before. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find the red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, we came back to you, my friend, and today is a very sad day. Sorry to tell you that, but as you see, my friend, that red candle here, that one also we are in the weekly. It's breaking for us down that 200 moving average. As we said, from here it's going to go upward, but now as you see it, my friend, it's break it down. So maybe we are going to the 19k 462. As also we put it in the previous videos, we put here is going to be the target or the bounce from that level here where it used to be before. So let's see lower time frames what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Or let's see our indicators what they're saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, our indicator what it's saying us here we are at the oversold area. We hasn't left it yet. So it might that one is going to drop again to touch here, or as I told you that 19k. Then after that it will go in upward, but till now nothing confirmed because that candle it left for 2 days, my friend. So stay tuned with us, and if you are not subscriber to our channel, also we update you every day 2 videos, my friend. So now let's go into the daily to see what is it there, what the price react to us today. Here we are, my friend, here in the daily, and in the daily as you see it here, it came a big candle with big volume. As you see it, big sell off. We don't know what's happening, my friend, but as you see it, it's break that 50. And if you remember the last analysis, what else we tell you? I tell it that to you. I told you we got the first level here, second level here, and the third level. That one also we make it. We make it because that one here. So everything is too clear, my friend. Now let's delta in the first level, that one. And now, my friend, as you see it, what the market done for us. As I told you, if you remember what I told you, the market it give us here a double top. So that double top, it's being broken here now, my friend. If that candle close like that, by the way. So also we are going to bring like that. Then we're doing the same one here. So exactly to here. So as you see it, my friend. But also we still have here that long-term trend. Let's see if it's going to hold or not. So, my friend, as you see everything in front of you. And we got another level, my friend. Let me show it to you. The other level, my friend, is it here, down. Exactly where also we said the price it will go in. Here. Let's lower it like that. So, as you see it, my friend. So, now if that one hold and the price stay ranging here 1 day or 2 days, then after that going upward, it's going to be very good scenario, my friend. But if that one it doesn't hold, the price it will fall down till here, till that zone here, that supply and demand zone here. Then after that it will go in upward maybe or maybe not, because it can even break that one here and went till here. Then here it will go in upward till that one here. Then after that it will going down. But now me I check all my indicators, all the analysis of me. The Bitcoin now it's showing us we are going to go upward, but I'm not sure, my friend, because even the fundamental it's showing the Bitcoin is still very stronger. So let's wait and see what's going to happen, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying. And even here, as you see, is my friend, here in the volume, here and here. Also, we got a divergence, my friend. So we don't know what's happening, my friend. Maybe from here, it's going to stay here 1 day or 2 days. Then after that, it will go in upward. Because that level here is stronger. Because last time, as you see it, my friend, when it touched it here, it went upward. So let's see what's going to happen, my friend, for the picture to be more clear. Let's see our indicators. That one, my friend, as you see it, it's breaking for us that lower trend line. And if that candle close like that, that candle which is going now, I show you before, if it close like that, that means you're going to see that one down here, the oversold area, my friend, and that the baddest scenario it can happen in. So we don't know what's going to happen, but we are believers, my friend. Don't worry, no matter how much it's falling down, us we buying. Me personally, if it fall down to 19k, I'm going to buy. If it fall down even to 10k, I'm going to buy. I don't care. That the market, my friend, and that investment. Sometimes you are green, sometimes you are red. Today, I enter to my account. I found that everything is red. I used to have some AVAX, some Matic, some Doge. I have BNB, I have Ethereum, I have Bitcoin. Everything is red today. So let's wait and see what's going to happen next month. But me, I'm not going to sell. It loses, my friend. Even if it goes to zero, I'm not going to sell it. Let me be honest with you. And my view to it now, as my friend, as you see it, he breaking for us that level here. Is the first scenario he will go in upward. He stay here, then after that he will go upward. Because here that level, also we used to have here a support, as you see it, my friend. Last time he came to it here and here, as you see it. So let's wait in now. The most important, he need to break for us that middle here. If it doesn't break it, because now it's showing to us also we enter in a bear market. We hasn't still in the bull market. But let's wait in what's going to happen because it can be going upward, my friend. At me, personally, my style of trading, I don't buy from here. And I don't sell from here. Me always I buy from here. And I sell here, my friend. That's how me I trade personally. I don't know what about you. By the way, if you want how also we invest in cryptocurrency, down below in the first comment, my friend, there is a 85% couple link to our course. That course is going to teach you everything, how we using that indicator, everything, my friend, and how we investing, how we buying, how we selling, everything in that course. We explain to you our investment strategy and how we managing our portfolio, my friend. Everything in that course if you want it. It's not expensive, it's only 13 bucks, my friend, but it's up to you. If you don't want, you just follow us here and you're going to learn more, my friend. So it's going back to the chart, my friend, to show you more. And that one, my friend, it's become here orange. So let's wait and see. Let's see when the daily candle finish it. Then I'm going to come back to you and update you what's going to happen. Because, my friend, if you see here, and I tell it that to you before, if you remember, my friend, what did I told you here? What did I told you? I told you we got that channel, that one. If it's being broken here, the Bitcoin, as I tell it to you before, I told you we are going to go till here, till 12,867, my friend. We make a small analysis, my friend. The analysis we make it, we just bring in from here, like that, till here. And we said the place where it's going to be broken, we make it like that. So it give us maybe the Bitcoin it will go till here, my friend. But till now, we are not sure, my friend. It's a very bad moment, my friend. We don't know what's happening. The market, all of it, it's red, my friend. So let's wait in the daily candle when it's finished, my friend. Then we're going to come and we show you what's going to happen. Now let's hope that zone here hold, my friend. Then after that, going upward because that one is a disaster till now, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours, and in the 4 hours, as you see, it is breaking for us that long-term trend. Also, we've been following here in the 4 hours. By the way, we draw it in the daily. As you see it, it's been a very stronger trend line. And now, us here at that zone, as we drawing yesterday, it's showing a little bit of rejection there. So maybe from here it will go in upward, my friend, till here. And that zone here, we draw it because yesterday, as I show you, my friend, I show you also we got here at that level here, like that, a head and shoulder. And we said when it's going to be broken, we calculate and then we said the target is going to be here, my friend. So now, as you see, my friend, it's showing here a rejection. Let me zoom it to see what's going to happen in there. As you see it, my friend, it give you here a pen bar or a doji. Then that one, that green candle here, it's showing like a rejection. So let's wait in what that candle going to do, my friend. If it came upward like that, sorry, if it came upward like that, a green candle here, that one, me, I'm talking about that one which is going. So you're going to have like that, let's say the red candle here. That one here, it doesn't matter the color of it. Then it's going to come a green candle here, like that. That is named Morning Star, and that one is a bullish signal, my friend. The price it will go in upward. But even if it go upward, my friend, it will not go that much. If it go upward, it will go only just till here to touch the lower of the trend line, or maybe to touch that 200 moving average, my friend. So be aware of those things. Now, my friend, you can even draw here a channel. So let me show it to you. You can draw a channel from here, like that. Like that, my friend, as you see it. Also, we're trying to do those things together for everyone to understand what else we're doing. So as you see, my friend, the channel, it started from here, and now here, and the top of it is being here. So now the good scenario, that one it will go in upward and to touch here. That's what me I told is going to come upward and to touch the lower of that trend line. And after that, maybe it's going to drop till here. So now also we're still in a downtrend, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. So let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's showing us we are at the oversold area, as you see it now. So if you enter, you put the stop loss of you down here, my friend, down in that level. So that's mean if you're dropping down, you will not lose that much. So everything in front of you, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes, my friend, to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes, the same thing. Everything is very bad. There is nothing. Here in 30 minutes, it tried to show here a big rejection in that level, but it couldn't, because the person who said he sell a lot in one go. Now the market here in 30 minutes is show you here, as you see it, it tried to give you here a small W like that, but here in that level here, it's still a very big selling off, a very big rejection, let's say it like that. Let's see it there, as you see it, my friend, as was me I told you, because here, that zone here, as you see it, in the first, it tried to hold here the buyers to buy, and now it's holding the sellers. So as you see, when it came to it, the first time here, show a rejection. Now it came to it the second time, it gave you here a pin bar. That's when the prices will going down more. So let's wait in now and see. Maybe here, it will give you here a small flag like that. So you need to calculate on those things, my friend. And the flag, you calculating from the top till down. Then you make the target. So also we're still in a downtrend, even here in 30 minutes, my friend. There is nothing it's showing us. Well, there is a trend change until now. So my friend, it's a very bad moment. That's the only thing I can say. I will update you, my friend, when the daily candle finishes. So see you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Bye for now.